Children, come to the next, that is petroleum. It is found between the layer of rocks and is drilled from oil field located in offshore and coastal areas. It comes in the form of black liquid. This is then sent to refinery which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastic and lubricant. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold. Now, natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposit and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Hydropower. River water stored in dam is made to fall from a height and the falling water flows through pipe inside the dam over turbine blade placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blade then turns the generator to produce electricity. Electricity produced in this way is called hydroelectricity. Now here are some pics showing the hydropower. This is water reservoir, water is fall and this is turbine. Water strike the turbine blades, it rotate and electricity produced. This is thermal power and here you can see oil field and this is Bombay High oil field. Now here you can see advantages and disadvantages of oil and natural gas. Oil easier to transport, basis of petrol chemical industry. Natural gas advantage, easy to transport, cleaner than oil and coal, cheaper than oil. Disadvantages, depletion of oxygen due to oil spillage and gas leakage, pollutant release, cost, acid rain. Exploration of new fuel is not easy. Now conventional source of energy, see firewood, advantage and disadvantage. Firewood easy access, provide energy to large number of people in village area. Disadvantage, collecting is time consuming, polluting, promoting greenhouse effect and deforestation. Coal, advantage, extensively available. Second, efficient conversion to electricity. You can see that thermal power, they are based on coal. Here the in thermal power plant, coal electricity is produced through coal. Disadvantage, polluting source, bulky to transport. Since coal is heavy and bulky, so it is difficult or it become very expensive to transport from one place to another. Now come to hydropower. Hydropower is eco-friendly source. Comparatively to these sources, all these are creating environmental problem except hydropower. Advantage of hydropower, non-polluting, promote irrigation and fishing, cheaper. Disadvantage, since large number of people were displaced, displacement of local community, inundate low, it lead to flooding in low-lying areas. Then expensive to set up. The project is very expensive to set up. Now question number 1, what is known as buried sunshine? Question number 2, what is fossil fuel? Question number 3, what is referred as black gold? Question number 4, petroleum is derived from which word and what does it means? Question number 5, name the leading producer of petroleum in India. Children, write answer of this question and send the pic in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.